Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Just got this Blink XT2 camera system delivered. Got it off of eBay for $213.50 and a $6 shipping fee. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to set them up, put them around the house, and then do a quick comparison between my old Foscam Power over Ethernet camera and this new Blink XT2 camera system. Alright, so let's get started. Top left corner, Blink and Amazon company. This is the XT2 outdoor indoor wire-free HD smart security camera. It has two-way audio, 2-year battery life. So I'm going to guess, depending on the activity that's in the area, that might decrease. No monthly fees, and works with Alexa. Side of the box, two-way audio, 2-year battery life, no monthly fees, includes free cloud storage for up to 7,200 seconds of video stored, up to a year with no monthly fees. Day and night HD coverage, up to 1080p, customizable motion detection, and works with Alexa. The back of it, be alerted to what matters with 2-year battery life and no monthly fees. Monitor your home with HD video day or night and respond with your smartphone using two-way audio. And the other side just says easy self-install, means, sorry if there's glare, easy self-install means you can place or mount your wire-free Blink cameras around your home, both inside and out. So the bottom of the box has some tech specs. Camera battery, 2 AA, 1.5 volts, lithium metal, sync module power. Those are the camera dimensions. Sync module dimensions, video resolution up to 1080p, requirements, high-speed internet, DSL cable or fiber, with minimum upload speeds of 2 megabits per second. Wireless network, 2.4 gigahertz, and mobile devices, you can use iOS, Android, or the Fire operating system. What's in the box? 3 XT2 cameras, 1 sync module, 6 AA lithium metal batteries, 3 mounting kits, 1 user guide, 1 USB cable, and 1 power. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, neatly placed 3 cameras. Got your manual, it says pull here, so comes with the Blink sticker that you can put on a window. Blink receiver. This Blink receiver has a USB and a micro USB on the other side. Micro USB cable. Power adapter. It says slide the latch down, lift cover off from the bottom. There's your camera. Screws. And your mounting brackets. And your 2 Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries. Alright guys, we are now outside. I have set up these cameras and put them up. We have one up here in this corner. We have another one up there. In that corner, one right here in the middle, facing the backyard. The setup process was pretty easy. All you have to do is download the Blink app, create an account, scan the back of your cameras as like a little QR code. And then right after that, your cameras are set up and ready to be put up. I'm going to show you guys my other old camera. This camera has been up here for about 6 years. It's a Power over Ethernet. And it's worked very well. You can see in the dark, pretty good all the way down to the driveway. But it's old and it's ready to go out, so that's why I bought this new Blink system. And let me show you guys video of both of these cameras so you guys can see the difference. So you guys now see the difference. It's pretty significant. Old camera versus new. Thanks for watching, guys. If any of these videos has helped you out, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.